Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start exercise 6.1. First question. It says that in the given figure, lines AB and CD intersect at point O. If angle AOC plus angle BOE equal to 70 degree and angle BOD equal to 40 degree, then you have to find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. So let's start. So first you will write the given, that is AB and CD are two lines that intersect at point O. Angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. Angle BOD equal to 40 degree. That was all about given. Next, what we have to find? We have to find angle BOE first and reflex angle COE. Let's see the solution, class. I can say that angle AOC will be equal to angle BOD, that will be 40 degree, because they are vertically opposite angles. As we know that AB and CD are two lines intersecting at point O, that means these two angle AOC will be equal to BOD, and since BOD is 40 degree, so therefore AOC will also be equal to 40 degree as they are vertically opposite angles. Now it is given that plus angle AOC plus BOE is equal to 70 degree. Since your AOC is 40 degree, therefore we can find the value of angle BOE as 70 minus 40, that is 30 degree. As we all know, class, ray OD stands on a line AB. Therefore, we can say that angle AOD plus angle BOD will be equal to 180 degree by linear pair axiom. Since we have to find angle AOD, so you will write angle AOD as it is. BOD is 40 degree, 180 as it is. That means angle AOD will be 180 minus 40, that is 140 degree. Now we have to find reflex angle COE. Reflex angle COE is the sum of these four angles. That means angle AOC, which is 40 degree, angle AOD, which is 140 degree, angle BOD, which is given to be as which is given as 40 degree, and angle BOE, which is given as 30 degree. Basically, we have proved it in the first part. On adding these four angles, you will get the value of reflex COE as 250 degree. So let's move forward to second question. It says that line XY and MN intersect at point O. Line XY and MN intersect at point O, and angle POY is 90 degrees. That is, this angle is 90 degree. Also, it is given that A ratio B is 2 ratio 3. And what we need to find? We need to find the value of C. That means we have to find the value of angle XON. So class, let's start the solution. First of all, you all know that if any value is given in terms of ratio, so we take it as multiple of some variable. So I am taking the multiple of Q. So I am assuming let A be equal to 2Q and B as equal to 3Q. I know usually we assume to be as X, 2X and 3X, but we have already X in our figure. So I'm taking any variable other than X. So we are taking it as Q. Now since A is 2Q and B is 3Q, and we all know XY is a line, therefore we can say that B plus A, or in terms of angle, we can start with angle XOM plus angle MOP plus angle POY will be equal to 180 degree. Okay. XOM is class B and B is represented as 3Q. So that means this will be 3Q. MOP is A and A is we have taken as 2Q. POY is 90 degree. So that is equal to 180 degree. 3Q plus 2Q will be equal to 5Q. 90 will get shifted to right hand side. So this will become minus 90, and 180 minus 90 is 90 only. So therefore your Q will be 90 divided by 5. That means 18. The value of A was 2Q, and since your Q is 18, so A will be 2 into 18, that is 36 degrees. Similarly, B was 3Q, that means 3 into 18, that is 54 degrees. We have got the value of A and B. Now, since we have to find C, and we know that MN is also a line, So I can say that ray OX stands on line MN. Ray OX stands on line MN. Therefore, angle NOX plus angle XOM will be equal to 180 degree by linear pair axiom. Angle NOX is nothing but C. Angle XOM is nothing but B, and that is equal to 54 degree. So that means C plus 54 is 180 degree. Therefore, your C will be 180 degree minus 54, that is 126. Therefore, you have got the value of C.